the stars that softly gleam. She stands beneath the frozen dream. The northern winds, they start to sing a song of hope the night will bring. Princess of the northern lights, shining bright through winter nights, in a glowing world of ice and snow, your smile's the warmth that guides my soul.
Crystals fall like silver rain, her heart untouched by time or pain. Every step she takes ignites a melody of frozen light.
Princess of the northern lights, shining bright through winter nights, in a glowing world of ice and snow, your smile's the warmth that guides my soul. The sky unfolds its magic hue, every dream she paints comes true, and in her eyes the dawn begins anew. Princess of the northern lights, keeper of the dreams that rise through the endless frozen sky. Love will never say goodbye.